students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to start our new lesson, and that is Pip Meets a Convict from your new modern English textbook 4. And it is a story about a boy, Phil, but he did not pronounce his name, so he called himself Pip. He was an orphan boy. He lived with his sister and brother-in-law, Joy Gargery. Was an orphan boy, and he lived with his sister and brother-in-law, Joy Gargery. He was blacksmith. Joe Gargery was a blacksmith, and his sister was very rude, while his brother-in-law was very kind person. One day, when he stood in the churchyard and looked at his parents' tombstone, and he was crying. And he was staring at gravestones of his parents. Suddenly, he terrified by a voice of man, who threatens to cut Pip's throat if he does not stop crying. The man was a convict who had a great iron shackle around his leg. Convict was grabbing the body and shakes him upside down. He was finding something from his pockets. The man found a piece of bread. Then he started questions from the Pip. Where did he live? And where are his parents? Where is his house? When he told him that about his parents, that they are died, and he pointed to the tombstones of his parents. He told him that he lives with his sister and brother-in-law, who is blacksmith. Then convict told him that he wants to live. He wants to live if he will go down to his house and bring him back some food and file. File, it is a tool of iron. It is used for cut the iron. When he said him that he bring some food and file for the shackle on his leg, and Pip agrees to meet him early morning. Then he went to the home, and his sister at that time his sister and brother-in-law were eating food. Then he stole some food and a file, and next morning he went to the convict. When he reached there, convict was hidden in a bed tree. When Pip reached there, he saw another man who was looking like that convict. Then that man ran away. When convict reached to the Pip, and he took a food and file from him, then he started eating. Then he gave him food and a file. Pip returned to the home. When he was going, he saw him turning, and he was frightened again and ran home without stopping. अच्छा, ये कहानी एक यतीम बच्चे की है जिसके पेरेंट्स की डेथ हो जाती है, और वो एक दिन उनके कब्रिस्तान जाते हैं, और उनकी जो कब्रें होती हैं उसके पास बैठा होता है, और वो उनको गौर से देख रहा होता है और रो रहा होता है. जब वो वहाँ पे बैठा होता है, तो अचानक से उसको एक खौफनाक आवाज़ सुनाई देती है, एंड दैट वॉइस वाज कन्विक्ट मैन. वो जो आवाज़ होती है, वो जो कैदी होता है, जेल से भागा हुआ कैदी होता है, उसकी आवाज़ होती है. जैसे ही उसको देखता है, तो वो उसको कन्विक्ट जो होता है वो कहता है कि रोना स्टॉप, बस कर दो, वरना मैं तुम्हें मार दूंगा. और जब उससे पूछता है, उसकी सारी डिटेल उससे लेता है, पिप से लेता है, और उसको उठा के फिर ग्रेव या जो कब्रें होती है वहाँ पे बिठाता है, और उससे सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन लेने की कोशिश करता है कि वो कहाँ पे रहता है और उसके पेरेंट्स कहाँ हैं. जब उसको बताता है कि ही लिव्ड विथ his sister and brother-in-law, and his brother-in-law is a blacksmith. इसका जो बहनोई था वो blacksmith था, लोहार था. तो जैसे ही उसको पता चलता है तो वो उसको धमकी देता है कि अगर ये घर, और उसको कहता है कि आप घर जाएं और घर से एक फाइल लेके आएँ. It is a tool which is used to cut iron. वो उसको फाइल के लिए कहता है और फूड के लिए कहता है, तो वो वहाँ घर जाए और वहाँ से लेके आए. तो ये प्रॉमिस करता है और दूसरे दिन फाइल और जो फूड होता है वो उसके लिए वापस ले आता है. फिर वो अपने वापस घर जाता है. लेकिन जब वो जाता है तो वो बहुत ही डरा हुआ होता है, क्योंकि वो एक कन्विक्ट से मिलता है इस वजह से.